Hello, Viverity Narsapur. Welcome all to this Vishnu Space Engineering Center. This center is especially designed and established for our undergraduate and postgraduate students. The main objective of setup of this station, this is the ground station, VHF and UHF ground station. The main objective of setup of this ground station is to attract and make our young generation to be part of this emerging technology and emerging area, which is satellite communication and space communication. So this space communication is now a very emerging technology and wide area where it is used for many applications in most of the areas where, like farmers, we can help the farmers, we can use for medical testing, and we can use for weather condition, to know the weather condition, all these etc. All these are the applications where we are using the space communication, and or you can say the satellite communication. Now we have, this is the VHF UHF station, and the main objective of this station is to track the satellites which are in low Earth orbit, low Earth orbit satellites or LEO satellites. So all the public satellites are can be tracked, and we can download the data from that public satellites. So this is what about the ground station. Now let me know what are the main equipments which are used for tracking the satellites and downloading the data. For that we have, this is a transceiver, which is the Qualcomm transceiver, and this ICOM receiver is 9700, the series number, and this is for heart of this station, ground station. Along with that we have, this is nothing but the antenna elevation, and this is antenna elevation controller, which is used here for controlling the antenna setup, which is situated on the top roof of our station. And we have this one, which is nothing but the software defined radio, SDR, which is used again for receiving the data. Now we will just see how this satellite can be tracked. So for tracking of the satellites, we are going through the software, which is nothing but your software, customized software, where we are selecting the particular satellite and we are selecting the transmitter. And once that transmitter and satellite is selected, if you are able to see on this right side, that will show you the satellites. These green dots will show you the satellite which is selected, and these white dotted line which are showing here, that are nothing but the paths of that particular satellite. Also this software will predict that what is the time and what is the time window we can track the satellite and download the data or receive the data from this satellite. So here, if you are able to see, this is one satellite, green color dot which you are seeing here, that, and this green color dot if you are seeing here, that will show that these two satellites passes are there and they are passing through our ground station. So this is what our ground station here, right? And we are using this SDR control. So this screen, if you are seeing, this screen is for receiving the data which is receiving from the satellite. That data can be received at this range. So this is the SDR console, and this window is specially see what are the type of data and what the data you are receiving in the form of, it may be a Morse code or it may be a telemetry data, which is nothing but data packets, different data packets which can be received. So here you are able to see that it is receiving the data, and this will show you the radio configuration display, which are showing manual control of this ICOM radio configuration, where this water, you can say water display will show the data whether it is receiving or not, and what are the other parameters which are needed to be controlled manually, that can be controlled from here.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.